This is the F-Series 5x10 vacuum laminating press and is available in 4x8 and 5x10 with a working size of 63 inches by 123 inches for the 5x10 and 50 inches by 99 inches for the 4x8. The F-Series has an interesting secret that is important for any location where space is at a premium. When not in use, it folds up and leaves a front to rear footprint of just 3 feet. When the platen is in its folded or closed position, you have complete access to all the components of the system for easy servicing of the system, such as changing the oil in the pump, or replacing the filters. Both the 5x10 and the 4x8 have identical power and support systems. The vacuum pump has a 16 CFM oil-cooled rotary vane reaching nearly 1 atmosphere or 29.9 inches of mercury at sea level, a 30-gallon ASME certified reserve tank for rapid evacuation of the membrane. A motor overload protection circuit, a 3/4 inch vacuum flow valve, and 3,000 psi vacuum hoses. The platen is lifted by a 2.5 inch piston. The support frame is 3x4 and 4x4 aluminum tubing, a 1/4 inch thick, and the entire system is welded for additional strength. Nothing is just bolted or screwed together. When you're ready to begin work, the platen is lowered from the switch located on the sides of the platen for easy reach. Once the platen is lowered and the pump running, the membrane frame with a 30 mil polyurethane membrane is raised by the 2 air pistons with adjustable air flow valves located at the sides of the platen for easy access to the platen surface. The membrane is easily replaceable in the field. The gasket is our exclusive 1/2 by 2 inch material that resists compression over time and use. The platen is covered with a polypropylene mesh that serves as the air path. This mesh is easily cleanable and can be quickly replaced in the field. Once your part or fixture is in place on the platen, the membrane is lowered and latched down by our case-hardened over-center latches. Then the vacuum is drawn. All the controls are located on the console at the front of the press. However, this press is slightly different in that the customer has requested the optional timer that controls the opening and closing of the vacuum flow valve. An important feature of all of our presses is that the vacuum pump runs full-time during the working cycle. This is to overcome any minor leaks that may occur and to maintain the reserve tank in an empty state so that the system will not have to wait between cycles. The power requirements are 220 volt single phase at 15 amps. The system is protected by a 20 amp master circuit breaker located on the left-hand side of the frame. The air requirement is 110 to 120 psi with 10 CFM minimum. Finally, all of our presses are shipped completely set up and tested and are ready to perform as soon as they are removed from their crate and plugged in. We never ship kits or anything to assemble.